A new EGR valve is installed with the old EGR cooler in the workshop. Immediately after restarting the engine, a clear whistling noise can be heard. However, the cause of the whistling is not with the new EGR valve. One possible cause is the thermal deformation of the old EGR cooler. One clue is the sooting and soiling of the sealing surface. What is the consequence? The sooting means that the heat cannot be dissipated properly. The sealing surface of the EGR cooler becomes deformed. The enlarged gap in the sealing surface allows exhaust gases to escape between the EGR valve and the EGR cooler, causing the whistling. The cause of the whistling is not the newly installed EGR valve. The EGR valve is okay. To avoid double costs, we therefore recommend that you first inspect the old EGR cooler for sooting and check the evenness of the sealing surface with a straight edge. If the sealing surface is deformed, it is advisable to replace the entire EGR module. The cause of the sooting should also be determined. Possible causes and further information can be found in our service information SI0100.